Hi everybody, Sean O'Kane here with Chip Estimate TV. We're here at Techcon 2013 in Santa Clara. My guest today is Bikash Choudhury, a solution architect with NetApp. Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you, Sean.
So NetApp, they create innovative storage and data management solutions, which lowers IT costs and accelerates customer business. And that's a great story. Why are you here at Techcon?
Thank you. And NetApp is a leading vendor to storage and data management solutions for customers all around the globe to store, manage, protect, and may retain the data. We are here because many of our customers are using NetApp in their engineering infrastructure. We're here also to talk about some of the recent solutions to optimize EDA design workflow in collaboration with Synopsys, Perforce, and IBM.
And Cadence.
We are working on solutions with Cadence and other software vendors.
Right.
But NetApp has been a common choice of storage by many system-on-chip and software development companies. We at NetApp have got a dedicated team completely focused on EDA semiconductor industry.
Well, that's a great lead-in. So why is storage important to the EDA workflow?
Great question. So applications, that would be the EDA applications, generate millions of small to large files that require shared storage infrastructure. Now, these workloads have bottlenecks at compute, network, and storage layers. We optimize the storage, network, and compute to accelerate verification times. These optimizations is completely transparent to the users and the application. The performance and architectural validations all are carried out in the EDA lab at NetApp.
Okay, so take that to the next step. How do you help EDA customers?
We have got NetApp with its portfolio of technologies have got key technologies which actually help to improve the EDA workflow, like flash technologies. With flash cache, you can improve performance through caching. You can use flex cloning to expedite user workspace creation. NFS version 4.1 or parallel NFS PNFS can improve performance through reducing network and metadata, which is data about data, traffic, right? Application vendors, when actually start to qualifying Red Hat or Red Hat Enterprise Linux 6.4 kernels, more and more applications should be using PNFS, which will be providing a significant boost into the verification times compared to traditional file-based protocols.
Okay, so why don't you take us through that and show us how you accelerate the verification process with PNFS.
Absolutely. Before I go on to the board, I'd also like to tell you that cluster data on tap with its seamless scale-out functionality and non-disruptive data mobility is already positioning itself as a software-defined storage in an evolving software-defined data center. So now I can go and show you what we can do with cluster data on tap and PNFS.
Bikash, so once again, show us how you accelerate the verification process with PNFS.
Absolutely. So this is a typical storage infrastructure that you would see in an engineering organization where you would be having users submitting jobs in this compute farm. This is called the compute farm, where the jobs are all submitted here, then the scheduler takes those jobs and tries to access the data files that are residing here on the storage over a protocol, like typical is NFS v3. But NFS v3 is a more traditional file-based protocol that has been used over the years. But recently, with the increasing complexity of the chip design, this is limited in performance. So we have now come up with something new called PNFS, which is called parallel NFS, where when you mount these file systems across PNFS, that becomes that provides better performance over NFS v3, which used to be the traditional way of accessing the files. Now, what happens when you get the performance boost, your jobs that you submitted here is going to finish or complete faster. When the jobs finish faster, that means you are actually optimizing your licensing cost and faster time to market. So these are the two critical pieces which will really help to improve your productivity and the quality of your design.
Bikash, Roy Choudhury, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Sean. Thank you very much.
And we'll see you next time on Chip Estimate TV.